What is up, guys? Coming to you from the Brand Incubator, one of the events here in London. A very, very powerful event. And I just wanted to come out on break. We just got a last coffee break before we finish out the day. And it was a lot of very important topics that we had spoken about inside, but one in particular was around about the pursuit of happiness. And it was about realizing that happiness is not a destination. You're never going to reach it if you're chasing it. Like, happiness is within us. It's already inside of us. And one of the examples that was used, it doesn't matter if you're a billionaire, you've got all the money in the world, you've got the houses, you've got the cars, you're driving Ferraris, like all the materialistic shit that you want, whatever it is that you want. You can be have all of your dreams and goals and desires, but you're still never going to be happy 100% of the time. You're still going to be pained with frustrations. You're still going to have shit that goes wrong. So why should we wait for the pursuit of happiness? Why can't we just choose to be happy now by self-love, self-expression, choosing to focus on the good in our lives, choosing to appreciate what we already have and find the happiness within now? Because if you can find the happiness now, that is only going to magnify when you do achieve your dreams, goals and desires, when you do bring in more financial results, when you do achieve greater things. That happiness is only going to expand, because it isn't a destination. It is already within us, it's floating around inside, and it's a choice, it's a decision to get out of our own way and actually find the happiness now and bring it out inside of ourselves, bring it out and enjoy it right now. So that was just a little tip. I've got to go back inside and finish off this event. It's been a hectic few days with lots of events, so much knowledge, so much spinning around in my mind. But whenever I do get a chance, I'll quickly come out, try and shoot a quick video and send off an email later on tonight when I get back to my room. So, all right guys, that's all for today. Pursuit of happiness, stop chasing it, be happy now, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.